Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Well, rang the cash register early today and probably should have held on. It's alright, we took some profits. Ali's option trades were great. I hope you guys jumped on board that one. Took a little bit of profit on the TBF long. The futures trades, sporadic at best. I saw the one decent ABC rally this morning on the 10-year up to, 16 plus 17. Put a small short on there, but covered way too quick. Made a little bit of money. It was fine. But the market kept going, and it was hard to sell weakness, I'll tell you that. Thank God we have these other trades on that can continue to chip out, some strength for us. We're seeing a lot of big moves. I don't want to call an end to this. We're so close to the old lows, especially in the 10-year at 131.23. I think we're gunning for that. The bonds, we're still within the old range. We're actually still above the last fib retracement at the 79% retracement, and the bonds is at 145.22. I kind of think we're going to go see that, and probably even lower levels here. I haven't seen, like I said, every little, remember how I love to look for the ABC bounces, right? Well, every ABC since early this morning, the C wave failed from breaching the previous high of the A wave. Numerous times that happened, and it's tough to sell them when they're going weak like that. You're always trying to sell that ABC uptick. It's the high percentage trade, and I missed a lot of good shorts today. Again, we rang the cash register a little bit on the TBF trade early. Ali got out of his last batch of puts. What a great trade that was. I don't think he took very much heat on that at all from Friday or Thursday when he put that trade on until yesterday and today when he took profits on those trades. So you got to keep your eyes open for these great opportunities. We'll try to present them whenever we see them, and we'll keep trying. Like I said, the old lows at 131.23 in the 10-year and the 79% retracement at 145.22 in the bonds. I gotta imagine we're gonna take a look at those levels, whether it's tonight or into tomorrow. I was a bit thrown off by the lack of follow through on the new lows and the ultras and the bonds. Actually, the 5-year note and the 10-year, the 5-year led the way down today, which was strange. Threw me off too, because that flattening trade has been a bullish trade lately, or at least warned of an impending bullish trade. So let's keep our eyes open. We definitely see, 5-wave structure on this move down. I think we're in the latter stages of what might be some type of a third wave. I certainly will look to sell any decent rallies from here. My wave count, so the first wave down, second wave up, we're in the third wave down. Within that third wave, I can see the potential that we might be in a fifth wave of that third wave. If you really want to narrow it down, it doesn't tell you to be getting long though. You're still looking for places to sell. We're going to get an extended corrective fourth wave at some point. I think it won't be that big because the second wave was very complex. I don't think the fourth wave is going to be very complex. I think it'll be very simple, ABC up, and probably very short. And then we're going to go look for new lows. The only question is, do we take out the old lows at 131.23 before we get that fourth wave correction? I think that's likely. I'd love to see us go down below 23. There's probably still some more sell stops down there. People like my friend Stuart looking at that bullish engulfing pattern in the bonds last week and ignoring the Elliott wave counts. So we'll see. That's the plan. Tonight, any kind of a bounce back up towards, first bounce level of these previous highs would take you up to 9.5 to 10.5. Beyond that, you're talking about 13.5 and then 16.5. So I'm going to look for some kind of a bounce. If we get it up towards those levels, I'll put a small short on. Tomorrow's Thursday. We have a small Fed purchase. We also have a 30-year TIPS auction. It's small. It's not a big deal, I don't think. I think the buyback is a TIPS buyback, too. I don't think it's very big. I want to say just off the top of my head, I want to say like $1.5 billion to $2 billion. That's small. So I don't think those are going to be the key events. We do have numbers. A lot of data tonight. China's GDP data is out tonight. That's probably the key data overnight. I think that comes out 9 o'clock Chicago time. So keep an eye on that. Try to get some rest tonight. A little bit under the weather here today, guys. I'm trying to fight it. I'll talk to you tomorrow.